around is pretty much complete. Now it's time to drill some holes in the floor. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Schwartz and we're going to be connecting our water in the trailer house today. So I got this shelf built. This isn't connected all the way yet, but got the shelf built for the pressure tank and stuff. And stuff like that. I don't know, he said he can squeeze it in through here, so whatever. But now I got to find where the water line comes through. I kind of measured based off of, might have to get a light, can't really see it that well, but this drain line here, and then there's another one right behind it. So I kind of measured off of that. So then I measured it kind of over here. So I guess I'm just going to start drilling a hole. And I mean, like with this thing, I don't know. I'm just really hoping it's in this area somewhere, because there's like a beam here. So I think it goes through, and then there's the main water line shut off over here. So I'm hoping it just kind of comes over and up, and then I'm hoping to intersect it here. Intercept it? Whatever. Here, and then they can do what they need to with that. So yeah, I guess I'll just start cutting a hole in my floor, my brand new unlived in floor. Alright, so here we go. It was that multi-vibrating, whatever, I forget what those are called, but I was getting pretty hot and I was getting a little worried, so I had my fire suppressant here. And luckily I didn't have to use it, but I ended up using a drill bit, and I drilled through, as you probably saw, and then I cut. And so I got my little access hole here. Luckily there is a hose right here for the water line, and this is, oh wow, this is, wow, the nail in there missed. Actually, can you see that? Yeah, the nail missed the thingamabobber, which isn't surprising with the amount of, or lack thereof, I should say, of workmanship on this place. But anyways, so we got some power cables in here too. I don't know what exactly these are for. I guess it doesn't really matter, but this also opens up more possibilities for me running the power to the for this stuff, because then I can just kind of come through this hole instead of trying to fish it through the wall over here like I was originally gonna do. So I was gonna try to figure out how to, because the panel's just here, so I was gonna come over and then through like here maybe, or because then this one comes up over here, but they already have it foamed in, so I didn't want to pull it out and wrestle with it too much. But I think that'll be pretty easy if I come in through here, but I don't know how much room they need. Maybe I'll just leave it like this, and then if they need more room, they can cut more room for when they come in to hook up the pressure tank and stuff. So I think they just have to put in a T. But I also want to get, this is bright. I also want to get a water softener though, so I might, let's see, yeah. That's, I'll let them know and we'll kind of figure that out, because I don't know, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so we'll call that good, I think. I'm gonna try to pull the wires in. I wonder if those come down from the wall. Might do a little more inspecting, see how those wires got over there. Alright, so I don't know where I left off on recording, because my cameras don't know where. But basically, I'll just kind of explain what's going on here. So they installed the pressure tank and everything, the well pump and, you know, but they put it on the cold line for the water heater. And so I was going to use this line and then probably tease off and comes up here, whatever. And so if I put a little back step here, so I'm putting in this water softener, just a little Aquasure, yeah, whatever. But putting that in, I was going to put it here, but then we'd be before the pressure tank, and that's not best practice from what I understand. So what I'm going to do is put in a 90 on this line, come up, and then I don't know where, here somewhere, but then I'll do all the connections for this guy. I'll just move that T over here. I mean, I'll probably use a new T or whatever, but and then I can start with the connections on the water softener. And yeah, I don't know. So that's the plan anyway, but pretty neat, because this one, like, this isn't a very big space at all. This fits in here like just perfectly. The only thing, I don't know, I'll have to build like a chute or something for when I fill it and put salt in there. I'll have to, because there's actually supposed to be a panel that goes here, so I don't know, I might cut a hole in it and then just put my hand through and insert the chute, or I don't know, I'll figure something out. But yeah, that's the plan. So gotta turn off the water, get the pressure down and stuff, and then start ripping in down here. And actually I'll probably make some of the connections up here first, or not up here, but like on this stuff, and yeah. All right, well, got everything hooked up here. This little filter here. Oh, is that leaking? Oh no, that's some type of lubricant. So yeah, we got this in service. There's a valve up here. Turn off this bypass, blah, blah, blah. Down here we have the water softener. Basically, so I think before I said that this pressure tank went into this line over here, this guy. So basically I just cut that T out and then spliced those together. And I opened up down there. You can kind of see, maybe you can't. Whatever, there's a hole in the floor like I showed you before. I have it covered up now, but the lines come up and just go right through the water softener now, and then go back down up through the main, and then they tee off wherever they need to go. But you know what, I wonder if that means the water outside is being softened too. I should go test that. Alright, so I just ran the hose. This was at 424 gallons, now it's at 422, so the outside water is being softened, so that's I didn't really mean to do that, but oh well, I guess. I don't know how I would have really gotten around that unless I found the hose, or not hose, but the connection that came in. I don't know, but I guess I would have had to soften the water after the tee for going outside, but not a huge deal, I guess. Now I don't have to worry about my garden hose rusting, I guess, but as if that's a worry, but either way, yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos if you want. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, toodles.